Bare root lifting is the process of taking a seedling that has been grown from seed out in the field. And we have a seedling harvester which comes through and has a variety of belts and lifters and bearings and pulleys on it, and it actually pulls the seedling out of the ground with most of the root intact. We're lifting the seedlings based on demand from our foresters, and that can vary based on the time of the year and based on the weather across the land base. So you have the one tractor that's actually pulling the harvester, and that has one operator. And then behind the harvester, you have someone that is kind of picking up the seedlings that get dropped off of the conveyor belt, or maybe get missed by the belts. And then as those seedlings are going up a conveyor onto the trailer in the bed beside the lifter, you have someone lining up those seedlings so that they're in such a position that when they get to the packing house, they can be easily picked up and put onto the conveyor in the packing house and allow for a smooth transition and less work in the packing house. The tractor is going really slow, and in fact, oftentimes you look at it and it looks like it's not even moving. And it's a very delicate balance of having the belts going the right speed and the tractor going the right speed so that you're doing as little damage to the roots as possible. We want to bring up as much root as we can. And so we have what's called a creeper gear on these tractors, and most tractors aren't equipped with that unless you have one specially built. And basically it allows a tractor to go extremely slow, but at a high enough RPM to run the seedling lifter. As you can see behind us, they are lifting the seedlings, and those seedlings are actually going from the ground, being pulled up by the lifter onto the conveyor and then into the bins on the trailer that's riding alongside of the harvester. And once those bins are full on the trailer, they'll then take the seedlings and they'll go into the packing house, and they'll try to get there as quickly and efficiently as possible to reduce the time that the seedlings are exposed to wind and any sun, because that's a really important step to make sure the seedlings don't dry out and they're not exposed.